They are Europa League champions 5 times for Emery. First European trophy for Villa since 1982. What a moment. This is what football's all about. This is what it's all about. Winning things. Winning trophies. It's a night to remember in a good way. Memories they'll cherish, hopefully for the rest of their lives. Long lives. Although, looking at the age demographic of the crowd, we'd have to judge that on a case-by-case basis. I mean, one of them looks about 90, so... But the point is, Aston Villa are 2026 Europa League winners. Their first European trophy since 1982. But if you're Aston Villa, what do you want? Like Villa, do you want another team in the Champions League? I mean, if I'm Villa, I'm sort of like going, I want more teams in Europe.